In today's fast-paced world, your business needs to stay ahead, and AI is key. That's where LLUMO comes in. It's not just any prompt engineering tool. It's how you do prompt engineering smartly. With LLUMO, starting your prompt experiment has never been easier. Start with your basic prompt. Then let LLUMO's magic take over. It recommends the smartest prompts to kickstart your experiment. You can clone as many as you want. Also, you can experiment across different LLM providers and models. Play with parameters. Utilize LLUMO cutting-edge 4CS framework to fine-tune your prompts. Compare all your results effortlessly. LLUMO recommends the absolute best combination. Deploy your LLM feature as a workflow with just one click. Everything is documented automatically for your reference, keeping you organized and in control. Yes, it's that simple. And here's the icing on the cake. You can easily monitor how much value your users are getting from your LLM features. So why wait? Let's start turning your basic prompts into smarter ones, building LLM features your users will love.